Your hair looks longer than last June. There's so much I've been dying to know about you. But we've been distant. Is it too soon to call pretending it's to ask you what's new? And I hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave.
Okay, I just rinsed this out. Y'all saw me try to literally put this top on this bottle. That's because when I'm cleaning, a lot of times my mind is racing and I'm thinking about other things that I need to do, what I need to do next, what I want to make sure to get done. And so I'm distracted. So while I'm doing like relatively simpler tasks, my mind goes on to think about what I need to do next or whatever it's thinking about, and I end up, you know, a little bit distracted in that process. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this away and we will continue, because we really need to wipe the countertop. It is so dirty. I have not wiped it in a while. I need to empty the cooker because this rice has been there for like a day or so. And I didn't get to it, so well, I got to some of it but didn't finish it. So yeah, let's go ahead and get that done. When I fill this bottle up, I don't like to fill it up all the way because it gets heavy, right? So whenever I'm cleaning and stuff, I just don't want the inconvenience of having to power through how heavy the bottle is. So I just kind of fill it up most of the way, but not all the way.
You are my gravity, keep me grounded to your my words lose their brevity in your atmosphere.
The rice cooker actually does not go on the countertop. I just tend to use it a lot during the week. So sometimes I just keep it here, but it actually has its own place. Everything has its place, including the rice cooker, in the pantry.
As it should be when you're lying cold like the sun. My soul's on fire. My heart's a liar, and I need you. Hold me in your arms. And the world was what we had. I found. And we're so reckless, but I would never trade this. I guess that falls just now.
This is my air fryer. This actually also has its own place right down here in the cabinet, but because I like to remember to use my air fryer, I keep it up here, and that helps me use the air fryer more than I would have if I just kind of keep it where it belongs in the cabinet the whole time. So if I'm having like people come over or guests, or I just feel like I don't want my countertop to be as clustered, then I put the air fryer away because it doesn't actually, that's not its actual place or its actual home, if that makes sense. So actually I was gonna be lazy about this and I was just gonna clean the counter, but I'm just gonna move all this stuff because like I said, it's been a while since I cleaned the countertops, so I'm gonna move these out of the way so I can really get to the counter. Good thing to remember, because when I was younger I used to forget. I used to forget all the time for some reason, but it's even sometimes now. It's better to clean the countertops and then clean the floor. So that way it's a lot easier when you're cleaning the countertops. You don't have to worry because you haven't swept the floor yet. So once you get done cleaning the countertops, then you can just sweep the floor. But sometimes I forget and I do it in the reverse order. And I really, really, really hate when I do that because it just makes it harder than it needs to be. So, I just thought about that.
There's so much I've been down to know about you. But we've been distant, is it too soon to call pretending it's to ask you what's new? And I hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad, I know that it's easier said than done. And it feels like it's hopeless, I'm begging, please hold on. Maybe reason, tossing and turning, it's 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply. So if I said or did something that hurt you, I'm sorry, you know I never meant to. Hope we haven't lost our way, 'cause it feels that way to me. But I know that when I see you, oh, I never wanna leave. So don't be so mad, I know that it's easier said than done. And it feels like it's hopeless, I'm begging, please hold on. Maybe reason, tossing and turning, it's 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply. I'll keep on trying not let you know. Maybe I should just try, 'cause I don't wanna have to let you go. So don't be so mad, I know that it's easier said than done. And it feels like it's hopeless, begging, please hold on. Maybe reason, tossing and turning, it's 'cause I'm scared one day you won't reply. It's been 2 months since I last answered your call. I know you're waiting on his. Still, you're the first thing that I see on my phone. Swear I'm just taking my time. You're the one I want, you're the one I need. But darling, I can't seem to work it out. Oh, I'm in love with the way that you move, and how you turn the world into something brand new. But you won't bother waiting for me with you, 'cause I'm too far away, far away. So I'll keep my distance just to see you again. Why did I ever look back? Now you're the first thing that I see on my phone. I think I've been here before. Yeah, you're the one I want, you're the one I need. But darling, I can't seem to work it out. Oh, I'm in love with the way that you move, and how you turn the world into something brand new. But you won't bother waiting for me with you, 'cause I'm too far away, far away. Your voice is like a face, but I don't wanna look in the phone now. Too afraid to hear it, I know your face. Oh, I'm in love with the way that you run, and how you turn the world into something brand new. But you won't bother waiting for me with you, 'cause I'm too far away, far away. I'm too far away, I'm too far away, far away.
put these in the dishwasher. But before putting dishes in the dishwasher, I always like to pre-wash or pre-rinse, just kind of make sure. Thankfully, I live by myself, so, you know, I could literally go 2 to 3 weeks without needing to turn on the dishwasher. Because it's just me, you know? So it's pretty nice. I need to fill my waters back up. I worry about microplastics. I talked about that in one of my earlier videos. So even with bottled water, I run it through the filters, and it just makes it easier for me anyway. Whenever I have to, or I need some water, especially because I prefer cold water. So it works out. These I'm gonna put in the dishwasher. I'm gonna put these in the dishwasher as well.
Now you're the first thing that I see on my phone. I think I've been here before. Yeah. You're the one I want. You're the one I need, but darling, I can't seem to work it out. Oh, I'm in love with the way that you move and how you turn the world into something brand new. But you won't bother waiting for me with you, 'cause I'm too far away, far away. Your voice will buzz its way, but I don't wanna look in my phone now.
These are empty, you guys. I leave these empty bottles here for decor because I think it looks nice in the kitchen. This I've had for like a really, really long time, but I just think it looks nice. Like, I like the design, so I think it goes with the decor. Now the mimosas, I love mimosas. Those I do drink. Instead of the kitchen is a little bit easier. A little bit dusty, so just kinda. Dusting is one of the it's like dusting, y'all. Dusting is the chore that I am the worst at. I mean, I just suck at like actually doing it. I don't know why, but yeah. I'll move those out of the way. So, funny story, when I was in my early 20s, I think it was, early 20s, I actually used to keep a lot of things on my counter. I would literally keep everything on my counter, okay? Like, I would just keep, because that's when we were growing up, like, that's how it was. Like, in the kitchen, all the kitchen stuff or whatever we would use, we would just gotta keep it on the counter, on top of the counter, until I dated this doctor. And he was so particular, okay? He was so particular, and he was so just disturbed by all the things on my counter. And I had, till that moment, at that time, I had never once thought about it. But then I thought about it and I realized that's true. It's cluttered, right? So I don't really like the cluttered look. It does look a lot better when it's not cluttered. And that's when I started making sure everything had a place, so that way it just looks better, a lot more organized. That was about the only thing I liked about that doctor. I hated everything else about that guy. A lot of stuff on top of it, so I like to just move it to the side instead of trying to pick it all up and clean it. And it's very important too, because if you have liquids or something, it might spill under there. You'll never see it. I didn't see it. There's like a little bit of liquid here that spilled, and we're about to take care of that. This is a little bit more of an in-depth cleaning, so lighter cleaning in between that. Just depends. I mean, it's just me, so I don't have to worry too much about it getting dirty super quickly. So, although you would be surprised. Oh crap. Okay. Alright, that's it as far as the countertop goes. This is a water detector. Because I have my house is a 2-story house, and sometimes I don't go upstairs that often. I want to make sure that if there's a water leak or something, that there's something that tells me that. Now, I don't know, this needs a little bit of setup. I thought it was going to already come set up, so I bought this several weeks ago and I still haven't gotten around to setting it up, so I just leave it here so I will remember to, at some point when I get some time and I feel like doing it, set that up and put it upstairs.